Nestled amongst the quiet streets of Neutral Bay lies Maranatha House, a testament to time and transformation. This house whispers stories of its past, a symphony of layers waiting to be unveiled. Built in the late 1880s, Suramma stood proudly, its sandstone walls echoing the whispers of a bygone era. Once bordering Warringah Park, its connection to nature was undeniable. However, time brought change. A 1958 subdivision reshaped the land, leaving the house with an unusual battleaxe access, a lasting mark on its relationship to the street. Over the decades, Maranatha House witnessed numerous transformations. Each era left its mark, with extensions and alterations reflecting the changing needs and tastes. The early 20th century wing and brick foyer became part of the house's identity, whispering tales of past lives lived within these walls. Faced with this layered history, the architects embarked on a mission to unify the house. Their vision? To create a cohesive space, one that celebrated the existing elements while forging new connections. Respecting heritage restrictions and site limitations, they meticulously examined every corner, maximizing functionality with minimal expansion. The design philosophy embraced an artistic approach. Light became a guiding force, streaming through glazed openings and balancing the weight of the sandstone walls. Internal and external views were carefully aligned, dissolving traditional boundaries and creating a sense of flow. The impressive Oasis artwork, a collaborative masterpiece, found its perfect home within the newly designed stairwell, becoming a focal point of the house. Maranatha House transcended its physical form, becoming a living artwork itself. The interplay of natural light, the minimalist palette, and the curated artworks within created a serene backdrop for life to unfold. The sensitive landscaping, echoing the neighboring park, further blurred the lines between indoors and outdoors, weaving the house into the very fabric of its surroundings. Maranatha House stands as a testament to the enduring power of transformation. A layered narrative etched in stone, light, and space, forever whispering stories of the past while embracing the possibilities of the future.